Even today, some HR teams rely entirely on manual processes, like chasing down signatures from legal or making trips to the IT department for hardware requests. Clearly, this isn't the most efficient way to handle HR services within an organization. There's a more streamlined and effective approach, one that leads to enhanced employee capabilities and satisfaction. It's called HR service management. Whether you're familiar with the concept or just starting to grasp its importance, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into what HR service management entails, how it functions, and how to implement it effectively. So, what is HR service management? In simple terms, HR service management, or HRSM, is a strategic approach that empowers HR teams to streamline processes and deliver services in an organized, efficient manner. The aim is to optimize operations while enhancing employee experience and productivity. HRSM requires careful planning, goal setting that aligns with both departmental objectives and broader company goals, consistent execution, and continual process improvement. When we talk about processes and services, we're referring to the diverse range of HR activities that can benefit from optimization, automation, or enhancement. These include recruitment and selection, onboarding, training and development, employee data management, hardware provisioning, and more. HR service management works through an HR help desk, which acts as a centralized platform to manage inquiries, requests, and concerns directed at the HR department. It's a way for HR to adopt principles from IT service management, ITSM, and tailor them to their specific needs. This practice is part of what's known as enterprise service management, enabling organizations to apply ITSM best practices across other teams, including legal, facilities, finance, and of course, human resources. Implementing HRSM can include running a help desk, building a knowledge base, and implementing enterprise workflow automation processes. Whether you're an HR manager seeking to enhance service delivery or an IT manager looking to extend ITSM tools across the organization, HRSM has a lot to offer. There are multiple benefits to implementing an HRSM system, and they all enhance organizational efficiency and employee satisfaction. Let's look at the top 5 benefits. First, HRSM improves employee satisfaction and productivity. For example, by providing a self-service portal for tasks like updating personal information, requesting time off, and accessing company policies, employees can manage their own needs efficiently. Second, time efficiency. Optimizing and automating HR processes reduces the time HR teams dedicate to routine tasks, allowing them to focus on strategic initiatives like talent development and employee engagement. Third, cost savings. By reducing the time spent on processes, organizations can allocate resources more strategically, ultimately lowering overall HR-related expenses. Fourth, compliance and risk management. Automated tracking of employee data and documentation helps mitigate risks associated with regulatory noncompliance and enhances data security protocols. Fifth, data-driven decision-making. By leveraging data-driven insights with dashboards and reports, HR leaders can make informed decisions to optimize staffing levels, identify training needs, and foster a more productive work environment. If you're ready to implement HRSM, but aren't sure where to start, let's go through the key steps to ensure a successful rollout and integration. Start with assessment and planning. You can't improve HR processes if you don't know what's currently in place. Identify pain points, inefficiencies, and areas for improvement. Next, outline your goals and objectives. Whether it's improving efficiency, enhancing employee experience, or ensuring compliance, setting clear goals helps achieve results faster and allocate resources correctly. Develop an implementation strategy. Create a detailed plan that includes timelines, resource allocation, and roles and responsibilities of team members. This plan acts as a roadmap for the entire team. HR service management is a strategic approach for optimizing HR operations and enhancing service delivery to employees. By implementing these practices, HR teams can improve efficiency, consistency, and employee satisfaction, Do you have any insights on this topic you'd like to share? Leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to InfGate Academy for more insights into the world of service management.